Yes. Yes, very good, very good. So all are ready. Let's start our session. Okay. Okay. With wide eyes, calm mind. Let's start our session. Very good. I can see all those smiles. Very good. So, namaste everyone. A warm welcome to all of you, to our beloved parents, dear children, our esteemed guest Miss Bhargavi Venkataram, and
Very
our
much.
visionary behind all of this. Who is that? Our Vidya ma'am, right? To welcome all of you. Now, I would like to give a small introduction about our guest. Right, see, this is our Miss Bhargavi. Can you all see Miss Bhargavi? Can we all say namaste to Bhargavi ma'am? Namaste Bhargavi ma'am.
Namaste to all of
Namaste.
you.
It's okay. Very good, very good. So let's see some information about Bhargavi ma'am. Okay, you will be very surprised. Okay, to know about Bhargavi ma'am. Can you all see my screen? Is the screen visible to all of you? I want yes, a loud yes. Can you all see the screen?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
Yeah.
See, this is our Bhargavi ma'am. Is the both persons same? Yes.
Yes, Vanna.
Yes, very good. So,
Yes.
yes. So, Miss Bhargavi Venkataramanan ma'am, she is the founder of Tandava Lasya. Can you see? She is gracefully standing in a dancing pose right here. Huh? She is the founder of Tandava Lasya. By profession, she is an engineer. Okay, Miss Bhargavi, ma'am began her dance as little as a third grader, like you all. Like when she was a little girl, like you all, she started to practice the dance, blooming into a radiant Bharatanatyam artist whose dance embodies both grace and expressive depth. She holds a master in fine arts in Bharatanatyam from Shastra University and is recognized as a artist by Doordarshan. Through her dance school, the name of the dance school is Tandava Lasya. Miss Bhargavi ma'am has been passionately nurturing and promoting the timeless beauty of Bharatanatyam and Indian classical traditions that you all are also learning, right? With years of dedicated training under eminent gurus and countless mesmerizing performances, she inspired audience both in India and in abroad. Like all of us, she is also staying here. Okay, beyond performing, Miss Bhargavi is deeply committed to mentoring the next generation of dancers, shaping young talents like you all with discipline, devotion, and creativity. With artistry that blends tradition with contemporary expressions. She continues to keep our culture, heritage alive on global stage. Okay. Miss Bhargavi, we are very happy to have you here with us today. We can't express our
Yeah.
gratitude for your gracious
I am
presence.
looking forward to their presentation today. I
Yeah,
am more
thank you. Thank
excited for them. I don't know how excited they are, but I am very excited for them.
Thank you. We will not make you feel low, Miss Bhargavi. You will
Ah,
you will see all their performances, and we are
oh,
waiting to
thank you.
perform in
Thank you
front
so
of
much.
you. Thank you so much for being here. And we have Vidya ma'am here. Okay, see, you all know Vidya ma'am, right? Yes, yes. Can we say Namaste, Vidya ma'am?
Namaste, Vidya ma'am.
Very
Namaste,
good.
Everyone, so
Vidya ma'am.
excited.
I'm
Namaste.
so excited to see you all performing today. And warm welcome to Bhargavi ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much. Namaste to you too.
Namaste, namaste. It's a great honor and pleasure to have you
ಇವಾಗ
here.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರನ್ನ
The pleasure is all mine. I'm really looking forward to these kids' presentation today. I really enjoy even my class every day that I take. It's so new with these kids. Even though it might be the same thing, we might be teaching them again and again. It's still something new with every child. They are all different in different ways.
Very true. Thank you so much. As Rekha told, you will see all the beautiful colors of Samskara. Over to you, Rekha. Let's get started.
Thank you so much, Vidya ma'am, for being here. And so today is a celebration. We all have got ready, dressed up neatly, and carrying big smiles. So today, let's start our program. Okay, let's start with our Ankuram kids. So we need some starting prayer, right? We need to invoke Lord Ganesha. So let's invoke Lord Ganesha with the beautiful shloka by Shrestha. Shrestha, are you ready?
Ready.
Ready na? Very good, Shrestha. So Shrestha is the kid from Ankuram batch. Shrestha, will you chant now? Yes, Shrestha, ಹೇಳಿ.
ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಕನ ಮೂರಕ ಹಚ್ಚ ಚಾಮಲಕನ ಹಿಲ ರಂಬಿದ ಶೂದ್ರ ವಾಮನನ್ನು ಪವ ಹೇ ಛಾಯ ಪುತ್ರ ವಚನ ಬಾಜ ನೈಕ ವಾದ ನಮಚೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ, ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಶೌರ್ಯ. ಶೌರ್ಯ, ಆರ್ ಯು ರೆಡಿ? ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ, ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಕಂದ. ಎಸ್ ಶೌರ್ಯ.
ನಮೋಸು ಅನಂತಾಯ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಮೂರ್ತಯೇ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ పాడాసి తిరోడు పాడవే శాశ్వతనామాని పురుషాయ శాశ్వతే శాశ్వతకోటి యుగదారిదే నమ.
Very good, Shaurya. Very good. That was beautiful reciting. Very good, Kanda. Now, after Shaurya, we have Ivan. Ivan, are you ready?
Yes.
Yay, very good. Yes, Ivan. Ivan, which shloka are you chanting?
Anantam.
Anantam. Very good. You got Shesha in your hand. Awesome. Very good. Yes. Yes, Ivan. Anantam Vasukim. Which shloka will you chant? Think.
You like Anantam?
Which is your favorite shloka?
Dekho. Can you do that?
Which one will you chant?
Chalo. Ivan.
Yes.
Anantam. Chalo. Patakot.
You are in a play mode today?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, no worries. You can chant after Shrihita. Is that okay, Ivan? Yes?
Ivan
Okay.
gaya po gaya.
Chalo, abhi can you do shloka?
Ivan gaya po gaya.
He will do it after Shrita.
Okay, Ivan. Very good. We will wait for your chanting, okay? Now we have Anika. Anika, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, very good, Anika. Anika, which shloka are you chanting?
వసుదేవ సుతం దేవ కంస చానూల మర్దనం దేవకి పరమానందం కృష్ణ వందే జగద్గురుం.
Very good, Anika. So, after Anika, we have Shrihita. Where is Shrihita? Shrihita, say hi loudly.
హాయ్.
See, Shrinika is waiting for you.
Sing. Akka.
Shrinika, yes. You saw Shrinika? Yes, very good. Yes, Shrihita. Are you ready to sing? Yes.
Okay.
Pahi.
Yes, God.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Akka is also there. You chant Pahi Durge, Akka will also see you. Okay? See, Akka is besides you only. Shall you chant now? Yes.
Paadu Shrihita.
పాడు పాహి దుర్గే చెప్తావు
By the given the big kira bulukla.
పద్మ పద్మగరే శ్రీత
Very good.
Ganapati. Guru
Guru.
Gudachini Nima.
Again.
Bhaktivatande Pakakade Vijaya Shishade. Yehi Dahi Davadne
Yatinuta.
Yatinuta
Ganapati.
Ganapati
Guru Guha.
Guru Gua
Janani Mam.
Nimam.
Very good, Shrihita. Now, where is Riyanshika? Riyanshika, are you ready? Yes? Riyanshika, say a hi now.
Come on, dear friend.
Hi.
Say hi.
Very good. Riyanshika, which song are you singing today?
Samay Lakshmi.
Yes, you can sing now. Very good.
Samay Lakshmi Sinte Saki. Guru Guha Samukave Svain Pamanalo Pankanalo Panamahani Lakshmi Vin Samay Lakshmi.
Very good. That was Shamali Meenakshi. Thank you so much, Riyanshika. Is our Ivan ready now?
Yes.
Very good. Ivan, shall we chant now?
Yeah.
Yes? Or still you want to play peekaboo?
No, he's
Still
ready.
you want to play peekaboo?
Anantam.
Yes. See next. Very good.
Kim Sesam Tanmanapam Cha Gambaram Chankaparam Artharashtra Taksakam Kariyam Tata Itesri Nagagatotram.
Very good. Can you show the Naga you have? Where is your Naga? Where is yours? Very good. Awesome. Very good, Ivan. See, now we are done with our Ankurams. These are the very little kids whom we have. Now a bit of bigger kids. Okay. Now what is our group called? This is, what is your group? Dharmaratna kids. Right. Now our Dharmaratna kids will perform. So first we have Aradhya. These Dharmaratna kids have learned Durgashtakam. These days they have learned Durgashtakam. Right? Aradhya, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, very good, Aradhya.
Mahamaya Sadgabana Danudari Sadgadarini Chandi Durga Devi Namostute.
Aradhya, can you chant one more time, please?
Katyayani Mahamaya Sadgabana Danudari Sadgadarini Chandi Durga Devi Namostute.
Very good, Aradhya. Aradhya, who will chant next? Next,
Srinika.
Aradhya's friends Advita will chant. Okay, Advita, are you ready? You want Srinika to chant? I know if I give chance, all of you will chant all 8 paras, but we need to give time for everyone, right? So we will do one verse today. Okay? Okay, very good. Advita, are you ready?
Vasudeva Sute
Advita, wait. Let me tag you. Yes.
Vasudeva Sute Kali Vasudeva Sahodari Vasundhare Shriye Shri Durga Devi Namostute.
Very good, Advita. Advita, who will chant after you? After Advita, it is Advaita. Very good. Advaita, are you ready? Advaita. Yes. Advaita, unmute yourself, please. Yes, Advaita.
योग निद्रे महानिद्रे योग माये महेश्वरी योग सिद्धि करे शुद्धि श्री दुर्गा देवी नमोस्तुते.
Very good, Advaita. Very good. After Advaita, who will chant? Where is Havish? Havish, are you there? Yes. Yes, Havish. Havish, you need to chant verse 4. Very good. Yes, Havish.
शंकर चक्र गदा पाणि शारंग जायत बाहवे पीतांबर धरे धन्ये दुर्गा देवी नमोस्तुते.
Very good, Havish. Very good. Now, after Havish, we have Prasida. Prasida, are you ready? Prasida. Where is Prasida? Who can find Prasida? What is Prasida's dress color? Help me to find Prasida.
Yeah, I'm here too. Yeah, okay, start.
Yes, Prasida. Let me spotlight you. Very good. Yes, Prasida.
Dharvana
Darvana
Chetu
Chatushamantapani
Brahma
Brahma
Swarup
Rupani
Brahmi
Brahmi Durga Devi Namostute.
Very good. So, Prasida, who will chant after you now?
Inika.
The friend Duyo. Who will
Srinika.
chant after you?
Tell
Shrinika.
only.
Srinika.
Shrinika, are you ready?
Rishni Nam Kula Sambhute Vishnu
Shrinika, wait.
Wait.
Yes, Shrinika. So, I am the slowest one here.
Rishni Nam
Yes.
Kula Sambhute Vishnu Nata Sahodari Vishnu Rupa Dade Danye Durga Devi Namostute.
Very good, Shrinika. Very good. So, Shrinika, who will chant after you? Aradhya. Yes? Aradhya, are you ready?
Sarvagna Sarvage Sarva Sarva Shesha Sarva Shakti Sarva Amruta Chatabare Durga Devi Namostute.
Thank you, Aradhya. Very good. Who will chant after Aradhya now again?
Advaita.
Yeah. Where is Advita? Very good. Yes, Advita.
अष्टबाहो महासत्त्वे अष्टमी नवमी प्रिये अट्टहास प्रिये भद्रे श्रीदुर्गा देवी नमोस्तुते.
Very good. So, these were our Dharmaratna kids who learned Durgashtakam. Next, we have one more batch of Dharmaratna kids who have learned Aigiri Nandini. Okay? Are all Aigiri Nandini kids ready? Ishan, are you ready? Ishan, can I get a yes?
Yes.
Yes? Where is Ishan?
Yes.
Is Ishan playing hide and seek?
Now.
No. Are you here, Ishan?
Yeah.
Not in page 2? Oh, you came to page 1. Yay! Yes, Ishan.
My name is Ishan. I am 5 years. I'm 5 years old. Today I'm gonna chant first verse of Aikari Nandini Stotram.
It is the story about.
It is the story of.
It is the story of
It's the story of
Durga Devi.
Durga Devi
destroying
Mahishasura
and
Very good.
and
celebration of
celebration of
good over
good over
evil.
evil. ऐगिरि नन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्रशिरोधिनि वासिनि जिष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते.
Very good, Ishan. Ishan, who will chant after you? Is it
Adyant.
Adyant's turn? Very good. Where is Adyant? Can you find Adyant, Ishan? Yes? Is Adyant here? Not yet. Adyant, can you say a hi? Okay.
वैसा
So,
नहीं कि हो जाता है वो इसलिए ना कोई डब्लू को मतलब रखना पड़ेगा नीलम का भी हुआ था
other parents, please be on mute. Okay. Adyant is not here yet, I think. Okay. So, let's call Anika. Anika, are you here? Shri Anika?
Yes.
Yes. Are you ready?
Where is I?
Fourth. No, you've seen the fourth one. Aishatam. It's Can you do it louder, faster?
Chadipati.
No, మొత్తం చెప్పు.
Nisakakandan. Chadipati.
Ripuga.
Chandapana. Pugadi Puja Puja Dandari
ఈ పాట
Vipatita Mundari Munda Gajari Pate Batadi Pate Jaya Jaya He Vahisas Pardini Ramyaka Pardini Serasute.
Very good. Very good, Shri Anika. Shri Anika, who will chant after you? Is it Atharva's turn?
Yes.
Yes. Is Atharva ready?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Atharva, can you say a big hi?
Feel a suckat stylish agre.
Thank you very much.
Suckat.
Thank you.
What is the meaning of this word? Durga Devi?
Last help.
How does it?
Okay. Yes, you chant your part, Atharva.
Ailda Naduli Mada. Shakti Vadodita. దుర్గల నీలజ శక్తివృతే చేతుల విచార తులీన మహాశివ దూతకృత పరమాధిపతే దులిత దులిహ
నిరాశయ
దులాశయ దుల్మతి కాంత
దూత
కాంత దూత
కృతాంతి
కృతాంతమతే జయ జయ హే మహిషాసురమర్దిని తం యొక్క పండితిని సైనసతే
వెరీ గుడ్.
ಹುಚ್ಚು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹುಚ್ಚು ಆಡೋದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು
Hey, no, you are too
ಇಲ್ಲ
good.
ಫನ್ನಿ ಆಗಿ ಆಡಕ್ಕೆ ಪೇನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಸಾಕಿದ್ದೆ
Okay.
ಹಿಂದಿಗೆ
You want to tell anything about the verse you chanted? ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ?
ದುರ್ಗಾದೇವಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
ಪನಿಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್
ದುರ್ಗಾದೇವಿ will punish
ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್
bad peoples. Very good.
Yes.
And whom will she protect?
ದ ಗುಡ್
Very good. So how can you be a good person? By listening to parents, alva?
ಅಂಡ್ ಬೈ ದಸ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್
Oh, that's the end. Okay.
ಬೈ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಟು
Being kind too. Very good. By being kind also, we can get the blessings of Durga Devi. Very good. Now we have Adyant. Adyant is just came just home just now. Adyant, are you okay to chant now? Yes.
Sure.
Very good. Yes, Adyant, you can chant. Which is the second one?
ಸರ್ವರ್ಣ ವರ್ಷಿಣಿ ದುರ್ದಾನ ದರ್ಶಿನಿ ದುರ್ಮುಖಮರ್ಶಿನಿ ಹರ್ಷರತೆ ತ್ರಿಭುವನ ಭೂಷಿಣಿ ಶಂಕರ ತೋಷಿಣಿ ಕಿಲ್ಬಿಷಂ ಮೋಷಿ ಘೋಷರತೆ ರೋಷಿಣಿ ಧರ್ಮದ ಶೋಷಿಣಿ ಸಂತಸತೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಶಾಶ್ವತ ಮರ್ದಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯಕವ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ.
Very good, Adyant. Adyant, you want to tell anything about this verse?
ఏదో ఉంది చూడ్రి ఊర్లో నుంచి ఇట్లా దుర్గామాత అయిన పని సరే అప్పుడు
Is
నెక్స్ట్
she fighting with someone? Is Durga Devi fighting with someone, Adyant? Yes.
யாரோட
Demon Mahishasura. Very good. Very good. So, for this Abhyasa, we missed few kids. One is in India trip, the other two are not feeling well. So, we missed only those kids. Maybe next Abhyasa, we will have them also with us. Now, Miss Bhargavi, this is about our kids. They have learnt it from past few months and they have presented whatever they have learnt. Now, I want to hear from you about our kids.
Sorry, I'm unmuted. So I think you've all done a great job. Can we all give a big round of applause to Rekha ma'am once for teaching this to all of you? And can we give a big round of applause to all your parents for helping you learn all this? See, they got you all ready. They made you chant. They did all this, right? Now, can you give the biggest round of applause to yourselves? You know how difficult it is to learn all these? I think I learned Aigiri Nandini only after I became an adult. I didn't have a teacher like Rekha ma'am who could teach me when I was young. You all have done such a great job. We started with Sreshta, right? With her Moshika Vahana.
Yes.
To the ending, Aigiri Nandini, I think you all did a great job. And Nishan, good job on explaining your Mahishasura Mardini to us. What you learned in Aigiri Nandini. I don't know if you prepared on your own or somebody taught you, but good job on explaining to us what all that is. And then there's one more little one, Srinita, no? I made a note. She sang Pahi Durge for us. That is
Yes.
so cute. I liked each and every one of you. Even the first batch starting from Sreshta to Shaurya to Ivan, Nanika, Shrihita. I liked everybody's performance. I liked the cute Shamale Meenakshi also. I don't know if you're all proud of yourself, but I am very proud of all of you for learning all this. These are some of the small shlokas that even I start with when I start teaching them to dance. So Mushika Vahana is the first item I teach the kids when they start dancing. Once they learn and they're ready to go on stage. So I was really able to connect very much with all this. It's the same way they learn, right? I think from here they'll start learning bigger ones, longer shlokas, to reaching parts like Vishnu Sahasranama, Lalita Sahasranama. I think it's going to be I think very very nice to learn, especially with the meaning. I liked it that you were all able to give us the meaning of the verse. It's a lot of effort, and I'm very very happy that I was here today. I feel so good listening to all these shlokas. You will all understand when you grow up. But then right now, keep learning, keep learning. These are very good for you. And yes, like you all said, be kind to everyone. And thank you so much for inviting me, Tara. So I'm really happy, Rekha ma'am and Vidya ma'am, for inviting me here. Thank you. I think Aparna is not here, but yeah, I also want to mention Aparna for introducing me here. Thank you very much.
We are really happy to have you with us with Bhargavi ma'am, and all these arranging, giving us materials, making us to feel comfortable to teach kids. All these, whatever credits you are giving, it all goes to Vidya ma'am. She is the biggest supporter for all of us. So
Oh, then I think
thank you so much.
we missed Vidya ma'am. Let us all give a big hand to Vidya ma'am. I think Vidya ma'am deserves a big round of applause.
Thank you so much for the kind words, Bhargavi ma'am. Now I would like to hear from our parents. Whoever want to go first, which parent want to start first? Please raise your hand. What you feel about the course? How what?
Krishna's mother, Diksha here.
Yes, Diksha ji.
Okay, should I come? Should I be seen? I don't know. Okay.
I will spotlight you. Shrestha Amma Bandra.
Amma Bandhu.
Okay. Namaste everyone, and Namaste Vidya ma'am, and Namaste Bhargavi ma'am, Namaste Rekha ma'am. Thank you so much for organizing this Abhyasa program, and this is my first time here. And firstly, very grateful to the teachers here and doing a wonderful job, especially for people like us staying abroad, like not having much exposure to all this classes. So thank you so much for conducting and practicing these shloka classes and other things. And coming to Shrestha, I'm very proud and happy about her involvement and the growth in these. She always waits for Rekha ma'am's class. And even in the mid of the nap, if I just wake her up, just say, hey, Rekha ma'am's class is up, she'll be like, okay, I want to attend the class. So that's how much she's enjoying, and also not just learning about shlokas or chanting it. I mean, I'm very happy that you also teaches some values, and she's following those values and very very disciplined at home, and she does a lot of things on her own, being tidying up or helping me in the kitchen, doing dishes. So in all the ways, I'm really happy and proud, and very grateful to my friend who is also part of the Samskara Vriksham. Her name is Srividya. Quite by chance, she actually introduced me to Vidya ma'am, and very happy that I'm very grateful to her also. And thank you so much. Yeah, we'll surely
Thank
continue as long as possible. We will be there, part of Samskara Vriksham. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Diksha ji. Vidya ma'am, I missed to ask you about how you felt about our kids. I'm really sorry. I'm so much excited. I can't explain. Vidya ma'am, please tell few words about our kids, because all three batch of my kids are here. The kind of excitement is very much for me. Hi, Vidya ma'am. Vidya ma'am, we can't hear you. No, no. Okay, Vidya ma'am. Okay. Sorry, there is some technical glitch.
Am I audible now? Okay. Congratulations to all the kids, and congratulations to you, Rekha. And thank you for beautiful words by Bhargavi ma'am. We thoroughly experience the same feeling when we listen to the audios of kids and the activities done by kids, especially because I keep seeing a lot of photos and videos which Rekha will be sharing in our groups regarding the work that, just like Diksha said, these kids are not only learning chanting, but they're learning the meaning of it. They're learning how to be in their day-to-day life and what are those values that they must follow. So I'm very, very grateful that parents are able to see the differences in the kids' lives. And regarding the performances, these kids have really amazed us, starting from Shrestha to Adyant. Every child has chanted so beautifully, and the way they're explaining the shlokas is something which was really fascinating. They're so confident of what they have learned. I'm so happy, and this was a beautiful morning for me. And one more thing I want to share to all the parents is you have given wonderful opportunity to your child for these. We say these are not only classes where they learn, but it's the parayana that they are doing every single day when they attend the session. So that is the practice that they do in the class itself gives enormous benefits for them. It's not about mugging up, or it's not about by hearting the shlokas, but it's about being there seated for those 40 minutes and learning those spiritual values, learning those values for lives. You're giving, not many parents are, aware also that there is something like this which they can give to their kids, but you all are giving this opportunity to your child. uh, all of you must be very, very proud of yourselves, is what I would like to really say, because these kids are really growing up with beautiful values. And my only request to all the parents is to keep continuing the opportunity that you give to your kids. It's not about buying any costly gifts. It's not about buying some snack. It's not about enrolling them to, schools where we highly pay and learn the academics, but these are the values for life that we give. And that is where our focus has to be, because tomorrow when they grow up into responsible adults, you should be very proud of the way that upbringing has happened. So that is where we are also focusing on, and that is our vision too. So thank you for holding hands, joining with us in this mission, and thank you, Rekha, for giving me an opportunity to speak. I would love to listen from all the parents as to how they have felt in these 3-4 months of journey. And Rekha, I would love to hear from you also, from as to how these kids have bloomed in these 3 months. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Vidya ma'am. I'm really sorry I could have made you to speak first, but with that
It's okay,
excitement,
it's
I
okay.
missed.
It's okay.
I'm really
We are
sorry.
taking it forward beautifully, Rekha. Go ahead.
Thank you so much. So next, Advita wants to say something. Advita,
If I say Vidya ma'am, I have been with Vidya ma'am at least for 4 years, and she taught me Madhurashtakam and Madhurashtakam Bhagavad Gita from Amma, and we have learned
Shiv Tandem
Shiv Tandavs that
and
I've learned till
Guru
14.
Astakam.
We have learned so many things, and she's so kind to me, like always.
Thank you so much, Advita. Rekha, if you could please spotlight me, I have something to say.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I must say, Advita is such a proud student of yours. Whenever I say Advita, I'm seeing you first time. No, no, Rekha ma'am, I am the student from past 2 years. She know Veena Amma, she know you, she know everyone. Yes, yes, Vidya ma'am.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Advita. Actually, when you chanted initially, I remember you that you have learned all these things. But when she chanted, did you observe the way she pronounced, the way she uttered the words of Samskrita, and look at her accent when she is speaking in English? There's so much of difference, and I'm seeing a brand new Advita in this USA edition. So beautifully pronounced, Advita. So nicely. The Ucharana is beautiful and it's becoming even more stronger, I would like to say. Congratulations to you. And thank you, Sonia, for giving her that opportunity wherever she is. There is
Yes, ma'am.
no stop in Samskara.
Yes, ma'am.
That's something
When
is the
she
dedication.
when she joined from Rekha ma'am, then she is asking, I thought it will be Amma. But she is very happy with Rekha ma'am also, and she's learning. She never missed the class, and she's keep repeating. And she recorded all the things what she learned, and she keep saying like send to Vidya ma'am and Amma. Like she missed Amma more because the first teacher is Amma, and
Yes.
like she will keep going, I think. And she wanted to learn Hanuman Chalisa. She's saying that I will learn from you. So
Definitely, definitely. Lovely, lovely. This is the aim of kids now. It's not about parents asking for additions. It's kids who are asking that I want to learn this next. And
yes,
so nicely she told everything that she has learned so far.
yes.
Very good, Advita. I'm
And she
so proud
remembered
of
each
you.
and everything because every morning or evening she is repeating all the thing, whatever she learned from you. So she knows all the thing till now. Like she did not forget anything.
Very nice.
She's learning and she's keep telling everyone, I am learning this, I am learning this.
Beautiful. I'm so proud of you, Advita. Soon we will have Advita also in our team.
Yes, I think.
Very good, very good. I'm so proud of you. Thank you.
Youngest teacher
Thank you.
of Team Samskara Vriksham. Right, Advita?
Say?
Yeah, very good, very good.
I think once she told you also that she wanted to become a Bhagavad Gita Katha Vachak. She said you, I think, if
Yes,
you
yes,
remember,
yes.
yes.
I remember. I
Yeah, I
remember.
think she will be if she is learning like that.
Definitely, definitely, definitely.
By the end
Thank
of the
you.
class, after every class, by the end of the class, she is ready to chant. So she's like, ma'am, I will do whatever worksheet we give, I will do after the class. Now I want to repeat and chant. Before everyone, she want to chant first. So that is her
I think
speciality.
because of that, every ma'am know her. Like everyone noticed this thing, and they all know that Advita will not color and she will listen and chant.
Yes. Yes, thank you so much,
Thank you.
Advaita.
Thank you,
I'm
ma'am.
Thank
really
you.
happy to know about you. Thank you. Now I would like to call Aparnaji, Aradhya's mom. Yes.
Shweta.
Aradhya, are you sleepy? Ashweta, sorry.
Hello.
See, this is why my guru is strong.
Namaste.
Namaste, Shweta. How are you?
Good, Ritya.
Ishan's
How are
mother is
you?
Aparna's
Yeah, Aradhya started like 2 years
Please
ago. I think
spotlight
she has
our
been with,
Shweta.
Yes.
sorry.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
Aradhya started like when she was 3 years old. Now she turned 5. I think she was maximum with Vidya ma'am. And then when we went to India, she was with Veena Amma. And then this is the first time with Rekha ma'am, but she didn't feel like she's going to a new teacher. She thoroughly enjoyed and she learns almost all these slokas. Like she repeats by herself, like not much of an effort from my side. She's she's interested and she just picks it up with Rekha ma'am. Like she really enjoyed Rekha ma'am. I was a bit skeptical because after 2 years she's going to a new teacher. I didn't know what she'll do, but she just loved her and she loves how Rekha ma'am tells those stories. And it's on me now. Like she asked, Amma, can you tell me that story? And I can't match it to Rekha ma'am. And then I have to start putting on YouTube or something for her some stories because now she knows all the stories what Rekha ma'am has taught her.
Very nice. Thank you so much. And this is the power of Rekha. Actually, her way of storytelling is something which is amazing. And I always tell her that, we must seriously start doing a podcast of why we have to, tell stories. It's really amazing to hear from you, Shweta. Thank you so much. And you are helping us prove that it's not about the change in teacher, it's about grasping the values, and we are doing the best from our side to keep the curriculum colorful, whether it is me or Vinama or Rekha. Teachers, doesn't matter. It's all about the values that they are openly grasping, and we are so
Yeah.
grateful
Like
for
because
you for the
everyone teach
trust.
the same and she just loves every teacher. She went to Mansa ma'am for Bhagavad Gita. It's like
Yes.
I think Vidya must tell her improvement. Like when she started until now, I think like I am so proud because I don't remember when she chants. I have always the lyrics on my phone or somewhere when she chants to verify. Like I don't know how she remembers. Like she has not forgotten anything. Shiva Tandava, everything, and it's like it's quite amazing at this age of 5 years she could sing something like that. And she sang the Lingastakam in Varanasi.
Correct. Very nice, very nice. I'm so proud of you, Aradhya. Keep learning, and you are showing your potential to your parents, and the whole world is amazed. Very nice. I'm so proud of you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shweta, for your continued support to Aradhya and to us. And I always say that it's a work in collaboration that we do. It's not a program. This is not a program where we just say make kids to engage them for 40 minutes. It's a collaboration between us and the parent towards the child in inculcating values, and you all are giving equal support to us to inculcate
Yeah.
the values. Thank
Ye-
you very, very much
Especially
for
when we
that.
stay so far from India, I think these kids should know more than kids because kids in India get to this very easily, but here the kids are more to other
True.
cultures than to the Indian culture. So it's like more
Exactly.
important that they understand because after a few years, it's very difficult to even get them.
Correct. So earlier it is to start, it's good.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Shweta.
much.
Thank you so much, Shweta ma'am, for the kind words. Shweta ma'am has some secrets. Like Aradhya don't know how to read, but still she can recite all the shloka with perfection. We want Shweta ma'am to share that secret with all the parents. That is the
It is
super
just
secret
your
of hers. I
recordings.
don't know how
It's just
how
your
is she teaching
recording,
Aradhya.
Rekha ma'am. It's just your recordings. She just listens when she goes to
So
the daycare everywhere.
okay, but she is ready. She is the first one to submit the recordings, Vidya ma'am. After every class, Aradhya, sometimes even if I forget to send the record before me, she will be the one who present the recordings in the class. Thank you so much, Aradhya. I'm really happy to have you as my student. that, that is a really big word, but thank you very much. Now,
Thank you.
I would like to call
Next.
Aparna ji. Thank you, Kanda. Thank you. Aparna ji, hope you are ready.
Yes, namaste. Good to meet all of you. Namaste, Bhargavi, ma'am, Vidya. Good to see you after very long. And of course, big thank you to Rekha, ma'am. I just want to take this moment to, convey my gratitude to Rekha, ma'am. It's Mahishasura Mardini, Aigiri Nandini is not an easy stotra. It's quite long and it is, a tongue twister. And the amount of patience that she has to teach and guide every child to learn the diction, and practice and, over and over again, perfect the shlokas is just amazing. So thank you so much for guiding the children, Rekha ma'am. It was a pleasure learning with you. It was our first time with you. So just wanted to say thank you.
Thank you.
Um,
Thank
and of course, to the whole Samskara Bhagavatyayeshu. So Samskara Vishkam team, I think we have been here, I think for more than, I think close to 2.5 years now. So I can't even remember which Abhyasa program it is. But it keeps getting grander and the community keeps growing bigger and bigger each time, which is so amazing to see. And personally in our home, we can see Ishan kind of spreading that joy and love for learning different shlokas. He constantly wants to explore, different artists and different, music. That's what we want to inculcate, right? The love for kind of learning our samskara beyond whatever is taught. And so his younger brother is also chanting a fair amount of Aigiri Nandini now, which we have shared in class. And during Navratri, he made sure every day of the week he would sit down. And of course, 21 verses, maybe he does not know now, but how much ever he knows, how much ever he knows, he would sit down and he would teach us, all of us, grandparents, everyone. So which was really beautiful to see. So thank you so much for guiding the children.
And thank you so much, Aparna ji. I was really surprised by seeing the little one chanting with Ishan Vidya ma'am. Even the little one can chant Aigiri Nandini now. Ishan is such a good teacher. He taught his brother also to chant Aigiri Nandini. So we want duo of both of them. Someday, Aparna ji, please record them both and please share with us.
Definitely. I also wanted to call out, you had done the Divya Kshetram, you have done it a couple of times now. So he remembered your the puja vidhana of making Panchamrita and he made sure he did that for at least the major festivals during Navaratri. He made the Panchamrita, we did the Abhisheka. So he was able to sit down and do the 16-step puja with his grandparents. So even if they have that 30-45 minutes of attention span of doing the basic puja steps, which was really amazing to see that. So
Thank
thank you
you
so
so much. Thank you. Regarding the little one chanting, that's what I keep saying to all the parents. You enroll one child and the whole family learns. And these kids have so strong grasping power. I'm sure the little one will have even more grasping power. So I don't see any surprise here. I expect all the family members to learn. So I'm sure the little one would have learned this, and I have seen their family singing Hanuman Chalisa all the time, and Aparna being one who has practiced Garbha Samskara. It's very obvious that the child is very spiritual. So congratulations to you, Aparna. It's all your efforts. At the end of the day, you are giving that opportunity to both the kids, and keep continuing the good work. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aparna ji. Now I would like to call Vidya Shri Vidya. So we have with this duo, Vidya Shri and Shri Vidya duo here.
Yes. Um, one second. So yeah, thank you. First of all, I wanted to say thank you to Vidya ma'am and Rekha ma'am. I mean, you guys have an amazing amount of patience. I mean, teaching just one kid, it takes so much of time for me, but you guys are teaching all the kids. And one thing I have noticed is Athar, whenever he joins the class, he'll be in a very cranky mood, and by the end of the class, he'll be very happy. So, no matter what, at the end of the day, he's learning something and he's with the good people and he's really having a good mindset. Um, we are in this program for, I think, close to 2 years. We joined in 2024 January with Hanuman Chalisa. So every time it was Vidya ma'am. And then recently that changed to Rekha ma'am. And I was like, okay, Athar was not going to sit now because that's what happened. He took almost 6 to 7 months to really sit in the class and chant one or two lines. And Vidya ma'am was really patient all those time. But then Rekha ma'am's first class, I was very much surprised. I just saw, and then Athar finished the class and he came out saying the class was fun. I like it. So yeah, I mean, hats off to you guys. I don't know what magic you do. Everyone will love your class.
Thank you so much, Sri Vidya ji. The amount of effort you are putting to teach him is more than what I do. I teach him only for 40 minutes or 30 minutes. The whole time you are teaching them, that the effort you parents are doing is really commendable. Thank you so much for that.
Actually, I am at fault here. Every time you take a class, right after the class, he will repeat. He'll remember and repeat. But then I will not have time to teach him or follow up with him. And then eventually in 2 or 3 days, he'll just forget.
Yeah.
So maybe from next time I should, keep some time out
Yes.
and make him practice.
Yes, we will do that. Alva Atharva? Yes.
ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಮಲ್ತೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ನಂಗೆ
ಇವತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
ನಾನು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋ 5 o'clock ಮಾಡ್ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay, very good. Shall we ask other parents also how they felt about the class? Yes? Yes. Sri Ramya ji, would you like to?
I must say thank you. I mean, this was on my list to learn this Aigiri Nandini, but this gave me a chance to learn along with Anika. Though I know Anika is not, I mean, it is little difficult for her to make her sit and understand and learn this, but she's able to sing the first 6 verses. I'm so happy. Though it is a little above her level, but she is actually on the way to learn. She has that interest to learn, so I'm happy for that. And also, I am able to learn along with her. So I'm happy for that also. So thank you so much for what you're doing. Yeah, thank you so much.
Shri Ramya ji. Thank you so much. Now, she is very little for Aigiri Nandini, but still you got so much patience to be there and support her every time. Thank you so much for being a greater support for her, Ramya ji. Thank you so much. Shaurya's mom. Do we have Shaurya's mom here? Ivan's mom? Advaita, is Amma there?
She's outside.
You want to call her? Yes? Okay. Yes, we have Shaurya, Samma.
Hi, namaste everyone. I'm really thankful for the sessions. Shaurya really loves chanting, and whenever she's playing, she'll just chant her way, and all the time she will be chanting some other shloka. She'll mix actually she'll mix all the shlokas together and she'll just chant her. She enjoys chanting. These days she has been missing few classes because of the timings, but she's like, Why, when she watched the recording, she's like, I am missing in the class. They are not calling my name. Why, Amma? She's asking me. So we are trying to work out the timings and put her into next classes. She want to learn Aigiri Nandini a lot and lot. We are looking forward for the next Stotrams classes for her. Thank you so much, Rekha ma'am, for giving her that interest, and I mean, she loves you a lot.
She enjoys a lot while singing. Shaurya and Shrestha, those two kids enjoys a lot, and they dance and sing. That is their speciality. Whatever steps they know, the choto moto steps, they will dance and they will sing. Thank you so much for the continuous support to her. We will figure out about the time. Please don't worry about it.
Oh
We
no,
will
no,
figure it out.
I
Figure
will
out.
be with you. I will be with
Yeah,
you for sure.
yeah. Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so much, ma. Advaita, is Amma here?
She's coming down. She's upstairs.
Okay, okay. So many parents left because they have little kids and they want them to sleep now. So many of the parents left the chat, and we have a long list of messages from them. I want Advaita Samma. She's the only one. She's the only one left to give the review. Advaita, is Amma coming? No.
Okay.
Okay. Bhargaviji, thank you so much. You got lot of patience to listen to all of the little ones.
No, I think see, I really understand how proud it'll be for you right now, because that's how for me it'll be every time my student goes on stage. So
Yeah.
I was also in the US and now I moved to Canada. So my classes are also virtual. But still
Okay.
they go, they perform and they do all that. So even every little thing they learn, especially virtually, I know how much the kid has to put in and how much the parents have to put in also.
Exactly.
So it's a lot of effort. And as a teacher, I'm sure how proud it'll be for you today. Because
Exactly.
they've all rendered it so well.
Yeah. You are speaking my words. Really, I'm very proud about all the students. Now we
They're
have
all different.
yeah. Everyone is different, and the level of energy they carry is unmatchable. We can't match it with our energy, but still I
Correct.
am trying to do my part with the help of Vidya ma'am. Thank you. We have Advaita's mom. Ma namaste.
Hi, Rekha ji.
Namaste ma. Namaste.
Namaste.
So would you like to share a few words about the classes, how you like
Oh,
it?
yeah. I've seen a huge difference in Advaita after she started attending the classes. So she's doing almost all day, she's doing the Namam, almost the entire day. And she started telling spiritual stories to her 14-month-old sister. So she's telling her that don't cry, Vishnu is gonna come and save you if you call him. So she's so much into it, and she really waits for the class, and that's the best part. And
Yeah.
even if we have Samskara class every day, she's gonna attend. That's how much she loves the class.
Thank you so much,
I
ma. Thank
really
you so
thank Vidya to initiate this, and I really thank you to take care of each kid personally.
thank you so much. Vidya ma'am, we can't hear you. We can't hear you, Vidya ma'am.
I think there is something wrong with me.
Yes. Now we can hear you.
Thank you so much, dear, for sharing your feedback, because we've been listening to all the parents who have been with us from 2.5 years, and they have seen difference in the kids, and they have seen a lot of improvement over a period of time, in terms of they having inculcating values, being spiritually inclined. But this feedback coming from a parent who has very recently joined us is something which really gives us a lot of hope and confidence to take things forward. Thank you very much, and
We have to thank you. Thank
congratulations.
you.
Congratulations to you. The little one also is learning something which is amazing.
Yeah.
And the thoughts that these kids are having, that yes, Vishnu is always there to save us, or Lord Krishna is always there watching us, protecting us. So that mindset of remembering Lord Vishnu, or remembering the higher self, the being so inclined spiritually at this young age is something amazing. And just imagine how they will be when they become adults. That's something which, when I think it,
Yeah.
gives me a lot of goosebumps. And
True.
so thankful to you, because you are giving this opportunity to your child. And
Thank
congratulations.
thank
And thank you very much for the trust that you
thank
have
you.
in us. We will see to that we keep up this same work that we are doing, so that
I
we
know
can
you will.
bring
Yeah.
in more colors. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the kind words. So about Advaita, she is very curious, and she connects all her day-to-day activities with the presence of God. So one time she was saying, I was playing with my kittens. It just came to me. I just remembered Narayana. He saved me from the scratch. So that level, for small, from this any small instinct to any big instinct, she always with the God. She always believed that God is with her.
Yeah.
So that is a beautiful thing to know about her. I am very happy to have her in my team. Thank
Mhm.
you so much,
Thank
Advaita.
you.
Yes, by this we are done with all the parents, and some parents left the chat. Only reason is they must make their younger ones sleep. That is the only reason. I ask sorry to all of them. So, Miss Bhargavi, this is my students, and this Miss Vidya is the backbone for all of that. Without her support, without her continuous positive words for us, it would not have been possible to come up all these days. Thank you so much, Vidya ma'am, for this thing, for this opportunity. Bhargavi ma'am, thank you so much for being with us till the
Thank
end.
you so much. I think this has motivated me right now. So I think the first time when when I saw Dhriti reciting the shloka is when I asked Aparna. So that time I think I was still pregnant. So now I have a 7 month old. So this is really, I'm very curious now, to put her into the class. I'm like, okay, how early should I start? Because she's only starting to blabber. Okay, she's not even started talking yet. But but I understand, because it's anything like this. I think it's good when they start early, because it's the same as how they learn music. They keep listening to music, they keep watching. So she sees me dance, and then she's very excited about it now. So I know that they can connect very well with this. So this is somewhere, it's got me thinking, seeing all these little ones, because I know they're all tiny 3 4 5 year olds only who are doing this. So I think I'll also be a part of Vriksham now.
Thank you so much. Thank you. This is really great. And we would like to, obviously, you will be listening to a lot of spiritual Devanamas and all that, kritis, and you'll be performing that. So let her keep listening to it, so that it's not very new to her when she's actually introduced to Samskara. And second thing I would like to share is Aparna, who has introduced you, was a Samskara parent before, and now she is working with us as a Samskara teacher, where she is inculcating everything that she has learned through, her child and her way of living. And now she is helping more kids. She's now serving to Australia kids, to inculcate Samskara. And we're so happy to have our Samskara parents turning into Samskara teachers, and not only inculcating their kids, but also spreading the values to many, many more such kids. So this is something which I feel that it is a big win for us. And thank you, Bhargavi ma'am, for joining us. It was really great pleasure to have you here. And hopefully, we will keep meeting. So, in terms of, I would like to know more about your work as well. So, yeah, we will definitely connect later.
Sure, sure. Thank you so much for inviting me. This really made my day, you know. Reciting, listening to all their shlokas. It's all, see, like what I told in the beginning, we know the shlokas, but it's very nice when these kids come and tell that. You know, it's
Correct.
very good that they are able to, you know, start learn. They don't even know that they are learning a value, but they're actually learning a lot from this.
Yes, yes. And I've also heard that in USA there are a lot of temples which give free sessions to start the spiritual journey.
Yeah, there are
But then
actually, yeah,
having
some
that
temples
in
in Seattle. Yes, I've heard. Sorry to cut. Yeah, continue.
yeah, it's okay. It's okay. So, but then having that individual attention, watching on their pronunciation and telling them stories in a way in which they are taken into that attention and teaching that is something where we come into picture. Because there are a lot of them who say they conduct classes freely on weekends and we always go to temple. But what exactly has the child grasped? There is no connection later, right? So
So
that
that's true because
I would
those
love to
classes help
appreciate.
adults better. For a
Yes, yes,
kid, it is not so easy to learn. You need to
correct,
make them
correct,
understand, and yes, the stories that you say are very important. That's how they are going to relate to the shloka and you know understand what
correct.
to do.
Yes, yes. So when something is wrongly pronounced, that
Mm.
doesn't give that right energy which is supposed to be given to the child. So
Mm.
that's where we always keep correcting it. We always keep watching as to how their audios are, how are they chanting. Is it because of that innocence and the way they speak at that young age, or is it because they're wrongly pronouncing it? And how are they taking forward these lessons? How is their day-to-day life going on is something which we focus on with every parent, with every child, and that's where I always say that we come in picture there. So those who really want to get in inculcating the values very seriously are the only those skimmed layer of parents who come to us, and we are very happy to serve them to our services. Thank you very much. And thank you, Rekha. And as always, love to, be there in all the sessions that you do. And we keep doing the recordings and all we watch, right? So we love to listen to her stories. And thank you for your continued support. Your Sena is growing really big, I would say. Congratulations again, Rekha. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Vidya ma'am. All because of your support. I am really grateful for your support in every day. That is, the support is not only for the class, for every day you are supporting me. I am really grateful for that. And by this, we will end our session. Is Aradhya ready for the ending prayer? Is
Oh,
she
she ran
sleeping?
away.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
as Vidya said, yeah, the temples here do teach, but it's like 40 kids, 40-minute session. And like, I've not tried it, but I have friends who ride it, and it's like they just go, they sit with 40 students. How much will somebody concentrate? And they don't revise. Like, I'm
Yes.
not planning to do that with Aradhya. Like,
Thank you so much.
The trust in us is really a blessing for us. Thank you so much for that, Shwetaji. Shrestha, shall we do the ending prayer? Ending prayer ಹೇಳೋಣ? ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಹೇಳೋಣ? ಸರ್ವೇ ಭವಂತು ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ? ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ್ಯಾ? ಹೇಳೋಣ? ಹಾ. ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೀನಲ್ಲ. ಅಪ್ಪಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ? Okay. Aradhya is here. Aradhya, will you chant Sarve Bhavantu?
Pray.
no need to tell all them. No, tell her.
Sarve
Yes, Aradhya. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Aradhya.
Santi, 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 please rub your palms. Press it on your eye. Slowly open it with a beautiful smile.
That's what she learned from
Thank
Divya. She
you. We opened
continues
our
that.
eyes with beauty. Yes, we are continuing that in all the class, Vidya ma'am, to open the eyes with a beautiful smile. Thank you.
Aradhya.
Thank you so much, everyone. It was,
Thank
it
you.
was really. I'm really happy to have you all here, and you made our evening special. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Bhargaviji. Thank you so much, Vidya ma'am. Shrestha, thank you. Shaurya Sama, thank you. Aparnaji, thank you. Shwetaji, thank you. Thank you so much for the continuous support. We will meet again. Ram Ram for now. We will meet again in class. Bye bye, Aradhya. Ram Ram. We will connect with Bhargavi ji for more and more projects. Thank you, Bhargavi ji, for being with us. Thank you so much. Shrestha, bye bye. Ram Ram.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am.